Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to ROMs for you. Let's look at latest PixelUI 3.7 Ragnarok running on Xiaomi POCO F1. The ROM is based upon Android 11. I will be doing a usability and performance review of this ROM. So don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you like my work. To begin with, let's talk about font session. The ROM is PixelPlusUI 3.7 official. The kernel they are using is latest Silver Core 9.4. The ROM is also got latest security patch from 5th July 2021. SE Linux is by default set as enforcing. The security section has all IR face unlock, fingerprint, app lock and more. The fingerprint here is faster, same the IR face unlock does its job, but both are not the fastest around. My ROM is decrypted since I flashed DFE, else the ROM is encrypted out of the box. Under battery session, there is pixel thermal switching. You can select appropriate thermal from the list. There is also smart charging and smart cutoff features available. The normal working temperature of this ROM is around 37 degrees Celsius. There is option called Pixelizer, which includes many more customizations to its UI. There are status bar, quick settings panel, lock screen settings and finally extras present. The status bar settings allows you to manage indicators. Double tap to wake up. The quick settings panel allows you to customize number of rows and columns in QS panel. Finally, the extras includes new volume panel settings, game mode, heads-up settings, power menu and more. If you go to system, there is system update option present. You will get latest version details from here. Once you enable the developer option, you will get option to hide notch. Unlike many other ROMs, this ROM includes perfect notch hiding without any gesture bugs. Now let's talk about QS panel. The QS panel includes many tiles including native FPS. There is presence of Android 11 screen recorder and it is capable of recording internal audio and microphone at a time. After enabling it, I didn't face any lags or jitters. Totally all reasonable QS panel customizations are available here. If you want, you can select Android 12 color tones for QS panel. If you see the DRM info, there is HDR10 and wide N1 present. The recent menu includes screenshot select feature as well. Both does their job well. If you swipe from left to right, there is clear all option as well. The RAM management of this ROM is also decent. There is presence of Camera Go applications by default and the app does its job pretty well. If you need more features, you can rely on Gcam. Out of the box, the ROM is not rooted and passing safety net checks. Also, the Google Play protection is present. Using banking applications won't be a problem with this ROM. When it comes to benchmark, after selecting gaming thermals, the AnTuTu scores 3,59,000 plus and Geekbench scores for single core 415 and multi-core 2027, which are not that great scores for Snapdragon 845. I did selected gaming thermals when I was testing this out. To understand more about performance, I am adding CPU throttling test. The starting temperature was around 40 degrees Celsius since I have already done the benchmarking. If you see closely, the graphs were decent at start, but after 5 to 10 minutes, you will see huge amount of drops in GIPS values as well as the graphs. But the ROM does try to keep up the performance up all the time. The average score was above 1.5 lakh, which is decent but not that great numbers. At the end of CPU test, the temperature was raised up to 50 degrees Celsius. Since the CPU test is over, let's do a gaming test. BGMI Smooth plus Extreme settings, FPS screen recorder, phone temperature checks are enabled. Now that the gaming is going on, let's conclude the video. If you see the FPS, there was minor drops at close combat noticed and major drops at times. But you won't be facing much of touch lags or gyro issues for sure. You will find all in gaming. Overall, another great build for POCO F1. A great daily driver and gamer. Without any doubt, you can try this ROM. But I cannot suggest this ROM for a competitive player out of the box. Yeah, someone who is play average can choose this ROM. Everything is buttery smooth and reliable. I didn't notice any major bugs with this build for sure. So that's it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. Nothing more, nothing less. Keep on watching the gameplay and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you like my work.
मैं तो वापस आ गया।